All right, y'all. In this video, I just want to give a quick shout out to another elite course student who's been doing this thing with Clickbank and Facebook ads. Shout out to Deep on these results. And as you can see, here's his proof screenshot right here. And since the beginning of September, he's been getting results with Clickbank, which is pretty good because a lot of people, they come in, they might have a lucky day or two and then not get no more results after that. But he's been taking consistent action and setting up campaigns, testing them and things like that, asking questions. And as you can see, first week of September, he made $480. Week after, 97, 130, 128, and then for the current week, he is at $84 and still a few days left to bump up those sales. But yeah, man, I just want to give a quick shout out to Deep on these results. And if you want to become a member of the Elite Course, all you got to do is click the first link in the description down below. While the course is still 50% off, you can see what's inside the course. You can see my results, of course. You can see my student results. You scroll down. That's pretty much that. And frequently asked questions. But this is what the members area looks like once you become a member. And of course, you get access to the private Facebook group where you can network with other members, share your results, ask questions, give tips, and things like that. And also, you got direct access to me pretty much 24 hours a day, man. But just give you all a quick overview of what's inside the course. Go over CPA networks, offer selection, Facebook ads, campaigns, setup, ad creation, spying, testing, optimization, scaling, Facebook FAQs, going over pixels, audiences, landing pages, tracking, email marketing, Clickbank. I'm actually adding in some content this week into some bonuses, some done for you campaigns, and I always do a recap of everything. But that's pretty much what you get access to once you become a member of the Elite Course. You also get lifetime updates, 100% free. But that's all I pretty much have for this video, man. Shout out to Deep again on these results. Keep doing your thing, man, and start scaling up these campaigns. But that's pretty much all I got for this video. I'll see y'all in the next one.